Hello BSc nursing candidate kani ka kabu na kabantai jungpi sngapha kani ka notification bangan police phi khnang ba phintip hai ke jaka bat ka post ayu bat ka katno ka salary yesngap ngan police phi menta NHM Meghalaya recruitment 2024 mid level health provider. So NHM Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 notification for implementation of National Health Mission NHM in the state of Meghalaya. National Health Mission Meghalaya Shillong invites eligible candidates to attend an interview to be held on 11th of March 2024 for the post of mid-level health provider or MLHP. So post name mid-level health provider. Number of posts not specified. Place of posting anywhere in the state of Meghalaya. Age limit for government of Meghalayanews. Salary 25,000 plus. Performance-based incentives. Essential qualification: BSc Nursing Integrated Course, Certificate Course in Community Health for 6 months. Past certificate course to be enclosed from a recognized university. So perlok tiba la dep ya ka BSc nursing subha ba pynlehnohei ban apply ya gani ka post ka bade ka mid level health provider bat ka interview kan de la khatwi tarik umaj wat nom penslem sim ya gani ka kabu khnang ba kinyo ya kalat. Knowledge of computer. Preference will be given to candidates speaking the local language. So how to apply for the NHM Meghalaya Recruitment 2024 mid-level health provider vacancy. So willing candidates should report for a work interview on 11th of March 2024 at the Women Working Hostel, West Garo Hill, Tura. Applicants are to be reported by 10 a.m. for registration, to be followed by the interview. Candidates should come with an application in plain paper or standard form enclosed with a copy of biodata, attested copies of relevant certificates or documents of academic and professional qualification, proof of date of birth, SC/ST certificate, mark sheets, experience certificate, if any, signature, and one passport size photograph. The certificates or documents in original are to be produced at the time of interview or for verifications. So nakabanta ban apply ya gani ka post jongka NHM dipila ban late direct la khatwi tarik kabadi ka interview pila ban ra rangkat berpi ban ka original certificates barok kibala mention nang tu pidi ban la lut naman pencisha ba ki documents kiba phira pindi ki jongphi de ngakarmen ba kila yo sngu ya kani ka jingpentip ba kani ka post kabade po NHM karmen ba pin apply ba karmen ru ba pin yo ya kani ka post namar ba kala bande ki post ki ba bun ba kecingtre ru kande be tangapo Meghalaya de khubei subun in second biang aku ipat ke video.